Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Alexithymia Test or assessment. What is an Alexithymia test? Alexithymia is a type of psychological condition where the person who has it finds it difficult to recognize their emotions, describe them, and express them. By extension, the person will also find it challenging to differentiate what emotional responses and bodily sensations are, include emotion in their thinkings. They tend to exclude emotions and lean towards realistic and logic thinking, as well as understand the feelings of other people. Alexithymia negatively impacts the capability of people to establish new emotional bonds and maintain healthy ones. They'll have a hard time regulating their emotions and become more prone to having emotional outbursts and impulses, and in extreme cases, they may commit self-harm. This type of psychological condition is found to be common in people who have post-traumatic stress disorder, autism spectrum disorder, and depression. Genetics and even a person's surroundings can contribute to the emergence of this condition in a person. The test has the following score ranges: 0 to 94 with no alexithymia, 95 to 112 indicating possible alexithymia, and 113 to 185 indicating alexithymia presence. As a result, it is commonly used by psychologists, therapists, and more. Here's how to use an Alexithymia test. The first step is to fill in the name and date at the top. The client will then need to rate each statement accordingly. You will then need to consult the bottom of the page for scoring and interpretation of results. To view a sample assessment of the Alexithymia test, head on over to carepatron.com. You can download and access the test for free. You can also access the test through the Carepatron community platform. All you have to do is type in the keywords to find the note, click on it, and edit however you would like. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.